subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this problem, the given function fx and its derivative f dash x are continuous at x equal to pi by 6, and we have to find the values of unknown a and b. The question is, if f of x is equal to sine of 2x, comma x less than equal to pi by 6 is equal to ax plus b, comma x greater than pi by 6. Find the value of a and b if f of x and f dash x are continuous at x equal to pi by 6. Now let's see the solution. First, we use that f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 6. So by definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to pi by 6 plus fx that equal to limit x tends to pi by 6 minus fx that equal to f of pi by 6. Now x tends to pi by 6 plus, it means a right hand limit, and that is x should be greater than pi by 6. X tends to pi by 6 minus means left hand limit, and that is x must be less than pi by 6, and f of pi by 6 means x equal to pi by 6. Now for x greater than pi by 6, we have f of x is equal to ax plus b. So the next step will be limit x tends to pi by 6, f of x is replaced by ax plus b, that equal to limit x tends to pi by 6. Now x less than pi by 6, we have f of x is equal to sine of 2x. And that equal to, now x equal to pi by 6, again we have same function that f of x is equal to sine of 2x. So we write here sine of 2, and for x we substitute pi by 6. So that gives the value of f of pi by 6. Now here we have to substitute the limit. So the next step will be a into pi by 6 plus b, that equal to sine of 2 into pi by 6, and that equal to sine of 2 into pi by 6. We write as it is. So this gives us a into pi by 6 plus b, that equal to, now here we go for cancellation, that 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6, and sine of pi by 3 means sine 60 degree, and that gives the value root 3 upon 2, and that equal to, again we have same thing here, we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, so we get 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So again we get sine of pi by 3, it means sine of 60 degree, and that gives root 3 upon 2. So in this way we get a into pi by 6 plus b is equal to root 3 upon 2. So let us this denote as a equation number 1. Now secondly we use that f dash x is also continuous at x equal to pi by 6. So here first of all we have to define f dash x. It means we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. So therefore f dash x is equal to, now sine of 2x, so derivative of sine of 2x is given by 2 into cos of 2x, comma x less than equal to pi by 6. And secondly, the derivative of ax plus b, the derivative of ax that gives a plus the derivative of b, and b represent here constant function and its derivative is 0. So we get derivative of ax plus b is equal to a only, comma x should be greater than pi by 6. Now here we use the term that f dash x is continuous at point x equal to pi by 6. So by using definition of continuity we can write limit x tends to pi by 6 plus f dash x that equal to limit x tends to pi by 6 minus f dash x, and that equal to f dash of pi by 6. Now x tends to pi by 6 plus, it means x should be greater than pi by 6. X tends to pi by 6 minus, it means x less than pi by 6. And f dash pi by 6, it means x should be equal to pi by 6. So the next step will be limit x tends to pi by 6. Now x greater than pi by 6, we have f dash x is equal to 2 cos 2x, that equal to limit x tends to pi by 6. Now x less than pi by 6, we have f dash x is equal to a, and that equal to f dash pi by 6. It means at x equal to pi by 6 we have function 2 cos 2x. So we write 2 cos 2 into the value of x, that is pi by 6. Now whenever x we have to put the limit value, that is pi by 6. So the next step will be 2 cos 2 into pi by 6 is equal to, now here the limit x tends to pi by 6 and there is a no x, so we write a as it is, and that equal to 2 into cos in bracket 2 into pi by 6. So therefore we write a is equal to 2 into cos, now here we go for cancellation, that 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So we have cos of pi by 3, and therefore A is equal to 2 into, now cos 60 degree gives answer 1 by 2. So in this way we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, and finally we get A equal to 1. Now substituting value of A equal to 1 in equation 1, we get now the equation 1 is A into pi by 6 plus B is equal to root 3 upon 2, and for A we substitute 1. So 1 into pi by 6 plus B is equal to root 3 upon 2. Now 1 into pi by 6, that gives pi by 6, then plus B as it is equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore finally we get B is equal to root 3 upon 2 minus pi by 6. So hence finally we get A equal to 1 and B equal to root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.